What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nick, the Mobile Mechanic, and this is going to be my very first introduction video. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about myself and my new journey that I'm starting right now. I'm currently in a 16-foot Penske rental truck. I have a car hauler hauling my Jeep, full of all my tools, everything I own. My wife is driving behind me. She has her car packed to the bone. We are packing everything up and moving from Maine all the way down to Central Florida. We've lived in Maine about 10, 11 years now. I'm originally from Central Florida. I kind of left just to have a change in my life. I've been there for a while. For the past 5 years, I've been a mechanic in a shop, a very successful shop. I actually found this guy, or someone introduced me to this guy that was starting a new mechanic shop. So I went and met with him, and I decided to start working for him. So me and him, I helped him open up the shop, from scratch. We did everything. We put all the fixtures on the walls. We installed all the tire machines. Now, mind you, I was good at mechanics. I actually went to mechanic school, or I guess you call it trade school, when I was younger. In high school, I went there for a couple of years. I've always been pretty good, with automotive stuff, fixing things. I always fixed my own stuff. My dad was always into cars. My family was, a car family, I guess you would say. So, when I started, I kind of started off as the desk guy because we already had shop workers, and I started and I just worked extremely hard. I basically worked 7 days a week for the past 5, almost 6 years, and I learned so much. When I left last Friday, I was running the place. Basically, the place was ran by me. The owner didn't even work at the shop. So it was an amazing experience. I made tons of good connections. I made I made good money. It was probably one of the best paid learning experiences I think that I could ever get in my life. The amount of things I learned working in the Rust Belt was just crazy. Working on rusty cars is a whole different category of mechanics. Let me tell you what. If you've never worked in the Rust Belt or seen those cars, they literally crumble when you touch them with your finger. You can literally just poke holes through the body on some of them. It's crazy. But for the past 9 months, me and my wife decided that we're sick of the cold. I'm sick of rust. I love cars. I want to be able to fix, modify, build cars, and drive them year round and not have them rust from the floor pan out. Like I had this black Jeep that I absolutely loved, but the control arm mount broke from the body, rusted. And I took really good care of this thing, but it rusted from the inside out. Sometimes there's just, sometimes you just can't do anything, and it's really sad. But we packed up all our stuff and we're headed down to the Orlando area. That's where I'm from, and we're really excited. I am going to be starting my mobile mechanic business from scratch. I've been planning for months and months and months, doing research, learning everything possible, and I'm just going to go head first, dive right in like a swimming pool, literally. I'm extremely excited. I'm also nervous, but I do believe in myself. So basically, this channel is going to be me documenting my whole entire journey, starting here on the move down to Florida. Man, this drive has been crazy. I'm absolutely loaded. I think it's 1,700 miles. I've been driving for quite a while now, but it's we're really excited. We have a house down there, and I have family, and I'm really excited to document my whole entire journey on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys everything, how I got my LLC, or I haven't decided if I'm going to do an LLC or a sole proprietorship. I'm probably going to do both, start as a sole and then move into a LLC. I'm going to show you guys. Oh, so yeah, this is real life right here. No editing. Man, these bridges are rough. God dang. Anyways, I'm going to also record my customer interactions as long as they're okay with that. I just really want to show you guys what it's like to be a mobile mechanic and what it's like to start a business. Hopefully I succeed. I believe in myself, and I really want to do this. I want to I want to be my own boss. I've always wanted to own a business. I've always wanted to do my own thing, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do repair tutorials, all sorts of stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoy this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I'm going to post a lot of YouTube shorts and videos and all that good stuff. So if you want to join the journey, go ahead and do that. Read my profile, see what I'm all about. I appreciate all of you guys watching. I will talk to you soon. Have a good one. Peace.